Do you buy expensive and harsh products like this to clean around your home? Well, no more, because you can make your own amazing cleaning solution with 2 products you likely have in your house. Just simply get an empty spray bottle, add 2 parts white vinegar. I'll be adding about 2 cups today because my bottle holds around 3 cups. So I'll be doing a 2-to-1 mixture with the white vinegar and Blue Dawn. So 2 parts vinegar to 1 part Dawn. Add them to the spray bottle. I'm using about a cup of Dawn for the 2-to-1 ratio. Once you get the items mixed together, that's all you have to do. Add your nozzle and give it a spray. These are the vents above my range hood, and they are greasy and dusty and yucky. I sprayed them. I let them sit. I used a brush, cleaned them out, sprayed again with water, and wow, do they ever look clean and super great. The sink is also a place where we get a lot of lime and water deposits, or just grime and grease. Spray with the product, let it sit. I'm using a light brush on the grate, also around the disposal area. It smells so fresh and clean, and look at the shine. Moving on to the range top, just using a paper towel or a dry rag, you'll find that it really cuts through the grease in this area and leaving a nice clean, fresh shine. No streaks. Fantastic. And look up at the grates when they're replaced into their spot. Fresh, clean, shining, just like new. Moving on to the bathroom, a great place for the product. Spray it on your fixtures, in your sink, any areas in your bathroom that you need a good clean. Let it sit for a little bit so that the vinegar can work on those hard water deposits and scrub away. You won't believe it. It'll make your fixtures look like new. Moving on to the shower or tub area, it's awesome again to cut through any grease and grime you might have there. Make this product, you'll be so glad you did.